So in this example here, take x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 2 times here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. Take 2 times. Put x equal to 0 here. So 2y is equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to 5. Therefore point is 0, 5 here. Then substitute y is equal to 0. X equal to 10. So 10 comma 0 here. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 24 here. You put x value is 0, 4y is equal to 24, y is equal to 6, 0, 6 here. Similarly, put y equal to 0, 3x equal to 24, x equal to 8, so 8 comma 0. Then draw the graph here. So 0, 5, a point on the y-axis here. Then 10, 0, point on the x-axis. Then both are points here. Sorry. So similarly, 0, 6, point on the y-axis, 8, 0, point on the x-axis here. Then join both the points here. So therefore equation of this line is x plus 2y is equal to 10 here. And equation of this line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 24 here. So here it is a greater than type, so shading is above this line here. And this is less than, so shading is below the line here. Therefore, this line shading is above this side. This line shading is below this side here. Means both the shadings meet here. So this is the feasible region here. Okay, take this part as a here, and this part as a B, and this part as a C here. Then obviously here coordinate of point is a comma 4 comma 3 here. 4, 3. You can verify whether the equation satisfying or not here. Put the x value 4 here and y value 3. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 10 here. The equation satisfied here. Even here also 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. So 12 plus 12 becomes 24 here. The equation satisfied by the point here. Therefore, coordinate of the pointer A is x is 4 and y value is 3 here. Therefore, corner points of a feasible region are corner points of a feasible region are coordinate of A is 4 comma 3, then B 0 6 and C 0 5. Use these points in the objective function here. So these are the corner points here, A, B and C. So using objective function here, and x is a 4 and y is a 3. Simplify, we get 2300 here. X is a 0, y is a 6 here. Substitute, simplify, we get 3000. x is a 0 and y is a 5. So substitute here and simplify, we get this one. It is a minimization problem here. So minimum value is 2300 here. Therefore, optimal solution is minimize z is equal to 2300 at the point 4, 3. So x plus 3y is equal to 60 and x plus y is equal to 10. Write each equation 2 times here. Substitute x is equal to 0. Ty is equal to 60 here. Y is equal to 20. Therefore, so 0, 20 here. Substitute y is equal to 0 here. X is equal to 60. Therefore, 60, 0. Then substitute x equal to 0 here. Y is equal to 10. Therefore, 0, 10. Substitute y is equal to 0 here. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So 10, 0. Now draw the diagram here. Draw the graph. So here one more constraint is that x less than or equal to y. Therefore, take that equation y equal to x here. So these are multiples of 10 here. Therefore, even here also take x as a multiple of 10. Therefore, take a simple value, put x equal to 10 here, y value 10, okay, x is 10, y is 10, then x is 20 here, so y is 20. Therefore, so 10, 10, and 20, 20 lies on a line y is equal to x here, or y is equal to x. The time passing through the 2 points 10, 10 and 20, 20 here. Then draw the graph here. So here 0, 20 is a point on y axis here, and 60, 0 it is a point on the x axis. Then join the points here. So similarly, 10, 0, 10 here, and 10, 0. Join these 2 points here. Okay. So equation of this line is x plus 3y. So x plus 3y is equal to 60. And equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 10 here. X plus y is equal to 10. Okay. And one more 10, 10 here. So 10 means this part here. X is 10, y also 10 here. Then 20, 20. So 20 and 20 comes here. X is 20 here and y is 20. So join these parts here. Then this is a line passing through origin here. Like this. Okay. So this point is 10, 10, and this point 20, 20. Then the points and then passing through the origin here. Then in this case, here x plus 3y less than or equal to 60. Less than means shading below this line here. Then here it is greater than here, greater than or equal to 10. Therefore, shading above this line. Above this line. And next x less than or equal to y is there. X less than or is equal to y. So this is a line here. Take one part this side, one part to this side here. Okay. So take a simple point here 10, 20. Take this part here. When x is 10, y is 20. So substitute here. X is 10, y is 20. Therefore, we are taking the point 20 10 and 20 here. Yes, it is correct here. Means the equation means constant satisfied by this point here. Take one point of this side here. So take 20 and 10. This one. Okay. So 20 and 10 here. X is 20 here, and y is 10. So this is not possible here. 20 cannot be less than 10. Therefore, this point not satisfying here. So 10, 20 means here the point satisfying means their shading is this side here. Shading is this side. Therefore, this line shading below, this line shading above, this line shading this side here. So all shadings meet here. So this is a feasible region here. Okay, therefore, take this point as a here, this point as a B, and this point as a C, and this point as a D. A, B, C, and D. You know these coordinates here. You find a coordinate of point A as well as a coordinate of the point B. In this case, coordinate of the point A is 5, 5. X is a 5, Y is a 5. So 5, 5. Okay. And the coordinate of the point B is here 15, 15. So 15, 15. Therefore, corner points of the feasible region are corner points of the feasible region are coordinate of point A 5, 5. Coordinate of the point B here 15, 15. Coordinate of point C here, so 0, 20, and the coordinate of the point D here 0, 10 here, so 0, 10. So these are the corner points here using the objective function here. So at 5, 5, put x value 5 and y value 5, it gives us 60. X is 15, y is 15, in that case its value is 180. X is 0, y is 20, again it is 180 here. X is 0, y 10, it is 90 here. Therefore, minimum value is 60 and the maximum at 2 points it has a maximum value. Therefore, optimal solution is minimize z is equal to 60 at the point 5, 5. Maximize z equal to 180 at B 15, 15 and C 0, 20. Here it is a unique solution here. It is unique solution and this is a multiple solution because in between B and C here, B and C, there are infinite number of points here. Infinite number of points in between B and C. Each point gives the same answer 180 only. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 180 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore, this is a unique solution and here in this case it is a multiple solution here. Okay.